Hi guys, in front of me is OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and let me show you how to reset all settings on this device. So at first, let's open the settings, go to System Settings and mark Backup and Reset. Now go to Reset Phone, it's the last option here, and click on Reset All Settings. As you can see, it will reset all the settings, including those for network. So just mark it here, then draw your unlock pattern to confirm. Tap on Reset All Settings once again to confirm and wait until the operation is finished. As you can see, system settings have been reset, so this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.